If you want to find trash on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, you just have to go to settings on your phone, scroll down in here and go to the device care option. Afterwards, we're gonna proceed to the storage. You want to tap over here on this option. And now in here, we should be able to find the trash option or category at the bottom of the screen. So you can tap over here. And first you will see apps that contain trash. So if you have some removed files that you used in specific apps or removed from specific apps, then you can choose the app over here, and then you can see all of these removed files in here. Keep in mind that in some cases you might have duplicates, meaning that if you used the gallery to remove some photos and videos, you can actually find it in My Files trash as well. Of course, it doesn't mean that they are duplicated or anything like that. It's just that these two files read exactly the same files and consider them as trash. Both of these files, of course. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.